What's poppin', guys? In this video I'll be showing you how to export stems on FL Studio. Now, if you've seen the last video, I showed you guys how to export your files in better quality and remove the silence. In this one, I'm gonna show you how to export your stems. Now, this is the exact same project I had yesterday. So what you wanna do is open up your channel rack and you wanna select all the sounds you have. In this case, I have 10 sounds. I have Nexus, clap, breath, perk, move, pad, hi-hat, open hat, snare, stomp. Now, if you haven't already, make sure all of the sounds are highlighted. You can do that just by double left clicking. And what you want to do is go to a mixer and click on the first one, right click and click on channel routing. Then route selected channel started from this track. And as you can see, it linked all of the tracks for you. Now what you want to do now is, after you have all of them selected, you want to make sure the songs, your track is on song mode. If it's on pattern mode, it's only going to export the pattern. So make sure it's on song mode. Now, like I showed you in the last tutorial on exporting, I want to highlight that exact portion I want to export, and from that I go to file, export, wave. I'm gonna choose stems. I'll make a new folder real quick, save. Split mixer tracks. This is the one you want to make sure this is on, because this is what allows each sound to be split. And you hit start. They're all here. And that's basically how you do it. I'll see you in the next one.